Hi guys, and I'm gonna make the clicking sound with my tongue. Anyway, if you do enjoy this, please click, you guys go watch my videos anyway, and I'll get started. 3, 2, 1. Anyway, that's the end of the video. If you'd like to comment or subscribe,